In this video, I'll explain you how to add categories and tags into your blog post. Also, I'll discuss with you the purpose of using categories and tags. So if you think the video is going to be valuable for you, kindly give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Now without any more delay, let's get started. First of all, let's talk about what is the purpose of categories and tags in our blogs. So basically, categories and tags help us organize our website so that the users can find the exact information that they have searched for. And also it helps the search engine understand what our website is all about. Now let's talk about categories specifically. As you can see here, there is one category that is uncategorized, that is by default. So what do actually categories means? Categories are actually broad grouping of your post. The same kind of posts are categorized into one category. In case of our website, here some posts will be focused on skills enhancement. So it will be categorized into the category of skills enhancement. Whereas some other post will be focused on online earning, so it will be categorized into that category. Like as you can see here, the post title is all about 5 best ways to earn money online in 2021. So this post is definitely gonna be categorized into the category of online earning. As we'll proceed with the video, we'll definitely know how to add category into our blog post. But before that, it is important for you people to know what is tag actually. So tag is basically combination of 2 to 3 words which refers to the specific information that you have given in the post. Now as you can see here we have the option of adding some tags. So for this post, what could be the possible tags? The tags could be like earn money online. Then press enter. Then the next tag could be like earn money. The other tag could be like earn money in 2021. And so on. Now here I recommend you to use 5 to 10 tags maximum. Though you can use as many tags as you want to, but 5 to 10 tags are more than enough for a particular blog post. So we have added some tags into this post. Now what we are supposed to do is to save draft. Now I'll proceed with adding 2 categories into our blogs, but before that let's come to our website. Now I want here to add 2 categories naming skills enhancement and online earning, as our post will be specifically focused to these 2 niches. But if you are following along the course, you know that the 2 submenus I've created earlier had the same name as skills enhancement and online earning, and those 2 submenus were created just to show you how to create that. So first of all, we'll delete those 2 submenus as we'll create categories on the same name, and then I'll teach you how to add those categories into menu section. Let's get back to the appearance section and then click on menus. Click here and then click on remove. The similar process with the next submenu. Now save menu. Now get back to our website and see those 2 submenus are deleted. So before that, refresh our website. As you can see here, there is no submenus, and also there is no menu with the name skills enhancement and online earning. Now we'll officially proceed with what we are supposed to do in this video. So we need to add categories. Click on post here and then click on categories. As you can see here, there is one category by default that is uncategorized. You cannot delete this category. Either you can change the name of this category or you can leave it as it is. Here add the name of the category that you want to create. So our category will be online earning. The next option here is slug. So what is slug? Slug is the part of the URL like www.yourwebsitename.com/slug. The next is parent category and child category. So to understand parent category and child category, let's understand it with an example. Like freelancing is one of the ways of online earning. So here, online earning could be the parent category and freelancing could be the child category. The next is description. You can add whatever description you want to add here, but we'll leave it as it is. Okay, so now click on add new category. And here your category is added. Now get back to the post that we created in the last video. Here, what if I want to categorize this post? Because it is important to keep your post into the respective category. so that it can help the search engine understand what this post is all about. This blog post is basically providing you an information about the ways to earn money online, so it will solely be under this particular category. So for that, click on here, uncheck this box and then save draft. Okay, now publish this post. As you can see here, the post is published. Now to understand the difference that's been created after adding categories and tags and putting our post into a specific category, let's get back to our website to understand the difference. Now here, as you can see, our post is published onto our website, and on the right side of that post, you can see the categories online earning. Now what I want is to add this category into menu section so that it will be easy for users to navigate to that particular menu. Click on appearance section and then here click on menus. Scroll down, and as you can see here, adding categories to menu is one of the options here. The one category that's been here, click on that, check this box and then click on add to menu. Here you can see the category has been added to the menu section. You can make it to the sub menu or you can keep it as it is. So what I want is to make online earning as the sub menu of our blog section. So for that, take it to the top and then keep it at the right side. Now it's been added to the submenu of blog section. At this stage, you might be wondering that it was already a submenu. Why did I delete this and then I again brought it to the submenu section? So for your information, earlier it was actually a submenu, it wasn't a category. Now it is also a category and also it is a submenu. Getting back to our website, and as you navigate to the blog section, you can find there is submenu as online earning. This is submenu, this is also a category, and you can categorize your blog post into this particular category. So by now on our website, there are two categories, that is online earning, and one category is by default. So it is preferable to use less number of categories in your blog so that search engine can easily understand that your blog is focusing on a particular niche. Okay people, I hope now you understood what is categories and what is tags. Why do we use categories and tags in our blogs? Still any question popping into your head, then comment down below, I'll be there. And if you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video where I'll discuss with you about various available settings of your blog post. Till then, take care of yourself, be happy, be positive.